Welcome back to Ronan and Beyond. So we're here at the Premier de Samgyeopsal Malate, Manila. So we availed their promo only pork, chicken, and beef for only 648 pesos. That's around 8 p.m. onwards. So by the way, 24 hours sila. And then we're keep on coming back in this branch and in this Samgyeopsal kasi sobrang dami ng side dish, yung sauces, pwede ka magpa-refill right after, maubos. And then sobrang welcoming, and then yung mga crew nila mabilis tawagin. So, it's a 10/10 for me. Kahit medyo malayo siya on our place, talagang dinadayan namin siya. In regards with parking, yes, meron namang parking available at the front of the store. And then may mga nag-assist naman ng mga Manila officers. I think that's around 50 pesos. If ever naman na mag-commute kayo, meron din namang mga jeepneys na dumadaan. Mabini yung masasakyan ninyo.